All right. So the garden, the lawn repair, right? Going along, getting this char into the ground. You see my ferment here from yesterday. Got some gases going on. Some shit's working in there. It's good to see. And yeah, we're just patching this up. Gonna get a lot of the bad spots taken care of. And all we're doing is sprinkling the char on here. And then we grab our little weasel, garden weasel. And like, this is a super manual way, right? Like, this is, anybody can do this, right? Big, huge scale, of course, you'd have soil ripping. You'd have this be done in an hour, right? Large scale. But this is small scale, backyard fun. Just trying to show others benefits of using biochar. Any way to do it. Like, I don't have my machines here, so I'm doing it by hand. Totally capable. We can go as small or as large as we want. This is very small. Garden weasel. Not even has a garden weasel. You can just take a shovel too. If you have a shovel, do a shovel. Just chop it up, have a char on there, and then we're gonna add some of these ferments, right? Some of these ferments on this top. We're gonna load this up with fertilizer. Bam. Let it sit for a week or two, and then boom, plant your grass. There we go. That's the process we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'll be able to show you the results because I won't be around, but maybe I'll be able to follow up. I'll do a follow-up video maybe a year later, or see what happens in the spring next year for this guy. So that's something to look forward to. All right, part 2 complete.